Krystal. And so today I want to talk about some of my favorite journal and planner ideas. Now, y'all know I love me a good journal and planner, right? I have about 3 or 4 maybe. And I started literally using a sheet of paper just like this to jot down my ideas. If you have not already checked out the video about how to create yours and even how to do it for like the low, you know, I always look out for you. Make sure that you check that video out. It will be listed below. But today I just want to give you some ideas, get your juices flowing so you're like, oh, I could do that. These are very easy to do as well. All right. So number 1 is going to be an affirmation journal. Yes, because we all need some affirmations. Positive affirmations are a game changer, especially when you say them out loud. So you can literally create a journal of all your favorite affirmations. Yes, all your favorite affirmations, and sell them to people as something that is going to change their lives because they are speaking the affirmations out. They're writing them down. An affirmation journal will be a game changer, and you can do it. It's easy. And you can start today just by writing down some of your favorite affirmations. You can look some up. You can create your own. Make it real cute and, you know, I may get it. So let me know when you create your affirmation journal so that I can grab one because I absolutely love affirmations. All right. There's just something special that happens when you can speak it out and you hear yourself say it and it just comes back to you. It's the best thing ever. So I cannot wait to see your affirmation journal. Number 2, we have a prayer journal. Now, of course, I have my own prayer journal here. I created this because I needed a prayer journal and I could not find one that had exactly what I needed. Let me tell you something about this prayer journal. Even when I feel like I do not want to produce this anymore, I'm over it. When I see people tell me that it's changed their lives, that it's saved their lives, it just does something to me. And so you can literally go create a prayer journal for people to help them in their journey or to help them do whatever. Any type of how-to is going to do well because people need the direction. And there are some people who are obsessed over journals and planners. They go to TJ Maxx and buy some. They collect them. All right. So any type of how to do something is going to do amazing. So the prayer journal for me has done well with my brand, Girl Plus God, and also my personal brand because I was a gospel radio personality. But if there's something that you do and you can make it be how to and it's closely related to your brand, it is going to be amazing. I've seen some that are like how to become a journalist, how to become a producer, how to become the best version of yourself. Just any of that how to, people absolutely love that. So next we have something that is super trendy right now, and that is self-care. If you are self-care obsessed and you like, I am all about women taking care of themselves, men taking care of themselves, kids, whatever. Self-care is everybody's thing right now. So you can create a self-care journal. Let people know how to document their self-care, any and all of that. Just give tips, tricks, places they can go buy good self-care stuff. I would absolutely love that. I'm loving all these ideas that I'm giving. I'm like, dang, I probably should do that myself. But self-care, people are loving right now. So consider a self-care journal. Number 4 is Girl Boss Motivational. Now, listen, you already know there are so many women that are killing it right now in the entrepreneurship game. And if you are somebody that has some really great ideas on how women can thrive, how women can show up better, how women can be the boss that she knows that she is, you can put that and make that into a journal. There are a lot of people, including our brand, that have journals about money, journals about how to make more money, journals about your credit, journals about how to get a better job and all that good stuff. So anything that is going to be motivational, anything that is going to be in all of these that I've listed have been motivational. This is very specific to you targeting that woman who wants to level up when it comes to business, when it comes to her job, her money, all of that. That is a really big area right now, and that will definitely get a lot of people interested. And number 5 is going to be just a dope cover with a blank journal. Just blank. Yes, I know that sounds crazy, but anytime you go to TJ Maxx, Target, I don't know about you, but I have a bunch of them because I am always jotting down ideas. So maybe if you have a brand, like we have a Girl Plus God journal and it's going to be coming out, it's blank, but it has a really dope cover. And people can jot down notes at work. They can jot down their thoughts, their prayers. They can literally make that one journal be any of the other ones that I've listed. So you can definitely come up with a blank journal, just a really cute, dope cover to reach your audience. And that will also do well because people love writing down their thoughts. I love my phone, obviously, but there is nothing like me sealing it, writing down a to-do list, writing down what I got to do on a blank journal. So hopefully those help you. I will leave all of them below, and make sure you check out the other videos so that you know exactly how to put these together. You know, I am praying for your continued success. You got this. Listen, you got it. I don't want to see no DMs like, Krystal, Lee don't sound so good, but I ain't going to be able to do it. Just say it. You can do it, right? You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Literally, all you got to do is start with your blank paper and write it down. You got to start though. If you're so focused on like, how am I going to print it? How am I going to ship it? You're never going to do that. You're never going to make it. Start like this. Put your cover down, get your pages in, take it day by day, step by step. Do some more research and you got this. All right. I am so excited for you. I love you. And I will see you guys in the next video.